A quest is a real-world project that you work with your peers or individually to help a problem of someone who's in need.
They're project-based ideas behind, coming together as a group, and it can be anything. I mean, we've done design golf cart paths for Fayetteville. We've done a cooking quest. We've done build a boat quest. They're very fun. It's kind of just a way to let everybody come together, share their ideas, grow together, which I believe is very valuable at the school. My favorite quest would probably have to be the golf cart quest. We designed golf cart paths for the city of Fayetteville and got to go present to the mayor.
I think that my favorite quest would be the murder mystery quest, where we put on a play for all of high school, and it was an interactive play where we devised this whole script, but everybody had their own characters that they had to stay in character, ask questions, and keep the story going on the spot. It was really fun.
My favorite quest was a Seedify quest. We did it last year. So it's a gardening and agriculture quest. And my favorite thing about it was being able to actually work with a real world client. We worked with Trilith Corporation and being able to design something for them and then actually go through and pitch it to them and then get it implemented in the neighborhood.
We got to design and pitch our own community garden at Trilith. And the process that went into it and the experts that we had were just incredible.
We got to literally grow an entire small mini garden. It was so cool.
I thought that was an amazing experience because I worked with people that I don't normally work with.
I think during quests we are heard because they bring in the people who actually have the problem in the studio or experts in the studio, and it's all learner led. So we're finding the problem, we're finding the solution rather than the guide stepping in and doing it for us.